11, 10, 9, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 17, 16, 15. Yeah, play. We go. Let me see catches now. Let me see catches. Go with it. Collect it. Unaweza jamaa. Unaweza. Mazuri, abudu wa mazuri. Mazuri. Yes, mazuri. Kana na mazuri. Come.
We want to fight hard until the last group game and hopefully get to the maximum of 18 and see what happens there. But apart from that, also we have to build a team for the next coming assignments as well. And
the intentions is really to give it everything we have. Like I said, it is a kind of impossible task at the moment when you look at how far ahead the front Wolfpack are. But for us, it's just about every match at a time and doing the best that we possibly can to try and collect maximum points. And you never know